I've got a client who called us out because they actually filed a claim all on their own. This was a hail wind claim. For 45 to almost 60 days, they sat there dealing with this claim by themselves. At the end of it, they got a letter from the insurance company saying that the claim was completely denied. We came out there, we inspected the property, documented the entire roof, all the exteriors, all the interior damages, and put together a solid claim package with a proof of loss to the insurance company, and we were actually able to overturn the denial, which is not easy. At the end of the day, they paid $0, and after his deductible, we recovered $54,000 so that he could put his property, not only his roof, but his interior damages back to the way that they were before the loss occurred. Isn't that what insurance is supposed to be for? Make us your first call before you call the insurance company so we can help you make sure it even makes sense to file a claim.